Hi, Justina. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is a great opportunity for me to learn more about IBM's CSR program from your perspective. Dying for the day.
Hey Justina, it's a great honor to listen to your speech. Thanks for your valuable information. This will definitely give us better understanding for IBM CSR. Thank you.
Hello, Christina. I'm really looking forward to your speech. It will definitely be an enjoyable and valuable experience for me and my classmates to learn more about IBM and CRS. Can't wait for your speech.
Hi Justina, I can't wait to listen your speech. I need to do research about IBM this semester, so I'm so excited to have a opportunity to listen your perspective about IBM.
Hi Justina, thanks for coming and giving us an opportunity to listen to your ideas and opinions. I think I'll benefit a lot from your experience and learn more about IBM, especially its CSR part. Thank you.